discussing about the circles yesterday, right? Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I have given you some circles and its related terms yesterday. See the children? So we'll study the theorems one by one now. Turn on your videos. Switch on your cameras first. Okay. So now we are going to study theorem 1. Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children. Okay. So it is theorem 1 now. Okay, children. So yesterday I explained about the basic terms of a circle. Say review of our previous knowledge, isn't it? Isn't it, children? So you know about the major arc, minor arc. Hello, children. Are you listening to me? Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So yesterday I explained about major arc, minor arc, sector, major sector, minor sector, and all those things, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we are moving to the chapter now. See, children, now it is a new thing for you. So it is angle subtended by a chord, angle subtended by a chord at a point. This is a new concept for you. Angle subtended by a chord at a point. Angle subtended by a chord at a point. Write the heading, children. Angle subtended by a chord at a point. Okay. Now, no need of writing. You listen to me. After writing the topic's name, listen to me. I will explain. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Okay, children. So you know about a circle, right? Listen, children. Listen to me. No need of writing now. Listen to me. A circle. And you know about a chord. What is a chord, children?
line segment inside a circle.
Sorry, what is a chord? Chord is a line segment connecting any two points in a circle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Which is the longest chord?
Diameter.
Fine. And diameter, longest chord passing through the center is the diameter. Clear, children? Now, suppose these are the 2 points and P and Q, and we joined P and Q by a line segment, and this is the chord, right? And the center is, I'll give the name as O. Okay, children? Now, let us draw a triangle. Let us complete a triangle connecting any other point in the circle. And let me give the name of that point as R. Okay. Okay, children. Let me take a point R, and you should draw a triangle connecting these 2 points as the chord, as the base. Okay, children. These
Yes, ma'am.
points, one R is any other point on the circle, and P and Q are the end points of the chord. If you complete a triangle like this, connecting these 3 points, we'll get an angle on the top, right? Here,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
this angle is known as, this angle which I shaded now with red color is known as angle subtended by the chord. Angle subtended, it is a new term for you. Angle subtended by the chord. Just meaning that it is making an angle. Okay. Subtended means nothing else, just to make. Okay. Angle subtended by the chord at any point on the circle. On the circle. So this is that angle. Clear, children? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So let us find some more angles like that. Let me give one angle, point S. Okay. Let us connect this chord and that point also. Clear, children? So you will get one more angle here. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is another angle. So if I connect one point here, if I connect this PQ as a base, that is also another angle. Clear? So all these angles, this S connecting the point SRT, all these angles are known as angles subtended by the chord. Clear, children? The chord is making an angle on the circle at any point, and that angle is known as angle subtended by the chord. Okay, understood? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now again, one more thing I'll show you. See, children, see. I'll take another color. Okay. See, children, there is one more circle and the same chord PQ. Okay. And O is the center. Clear, children? O is the center. Can you see? Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
So, this connecting the center, O and P and Q, we can draw another triangle. Clear? Connecting the center also we can complete a triangle. Isn't it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So there also we can make an angle. The chord is making an angle at the center, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this angle is known as angle subtended by the chord at the center. Angle subtended by the chord at the center. Clear, children? So we have studied 2 types of angle. We have studied 2 types of angle. First one, the chord is making an angle at any point on the circle, and the chord is making an angle at the center. Did you understand? Did you understand, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute, children. I'll draw it properly. Okay, so this is our circle. And there is a code. Code's name is PQ. And R is a point anywhere on the circle. And let us join these 3 points with line segments. Clear? And this angle is known as angle subtended by the chord at any point on the circle. And same, we can connect with the center also. So this chord is making 2 types of angle. One is at the center and one is at the other point, any point on the circle. Clear, children? So take your notes and draw this. A rough sketch is enough, children. No need of taking your compass and all. Just give a rough sketch. Okay. Okay, children. And there are theorems based on this concept, based on these angles. There are some more theorems to study. Okay. Angle subtended by the chord. At the point on the circle is the first one. And this one is angle subtended by the chord. Use the term subtended always. Okay. By the chord at the center. At the center. Finish writing, children? Okay. Now shall I erase? Sri Ram,
Yes, ma'am.
did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children. So let us study theorem 1. Okay. Yes. Shall I erase, children?
1 minute.
Okay. Okay, children, there are a lot of interesting things to study in this chapter. Okay, constructions are there. Okay, children, now I'm going to erase it. Okay, so we'll study theorem 1. Theorem 1. Theorem 1. First theorem. Okay, children. Theorem is equal chords subtend, equal chords subtend, equal angles at the center. Equal chords subtend, equal angles at the center. At the center. Equal chords subtend, equal angles at the center. Write the statement and listen to me. This is a statement, no need of writing with me. I will explain and I'll give the time to write. Okay. Now, need to write with me. Keep the pen there and listen to me. All of you. Okay, children. So, equal chords subtend equal angles at the center. That is our theorem. Equal chords. So, you will get a lot of things from the statement. Okay, children. So, you understood that there is a circle is there. There are some chords are there. Okay. So, let us draw one circle. Okay, children. And look at here. Equal chords. Have you seen that sentence? Equal chords. Equal chords.
Yes, ma'am.
Equal chords. So you know something. What is that? There are chords. There are chords. And what are the speciality?
They are equal.
Equal. That means the length is equal of the chords. Okay. So there are chords and the length are equal. So let us take two chords. Don't write now, listen to me. These chords are A, B and C, D. And the length of the chords are equal. That from the theorem we will get. Okay, children. And again you read this subtend. Equal angles at the center. That we have to prove. Subtend equal angles at the center. That we have to prove. We have to prove that these chords subtend. Where they will subtend? Angles. Where?
At the center.
At the
Center.
center. So this chord will subtend angles. There are two chords. So obviously they will subtend two angles at the center. Clear, children? And what we have to prove? We have to prove that they subtend equal angles.
Are equal.
Oh, yes, yes. So these two angles are equal. That we have to prove. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So the method of proving is by congruence. Okay. So proving congruence, we have to find two triangles. Can you find two triangles from the figure, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What are the two triangles? Can you name the two triangles?
A,
Ma'am,
B, O,
ABC.
B,
ABO.
ABO.
C, O, D.
C, O,
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, children. So I will write the proof. Wait. In triangles, triangle AOB, okay, and triangle COD. We have to prove that these two triangles are congruent. Then proving is very easy for us. Clear, children? These two triangles are congruent. Okay, so find three equal parts. Three equal parts. Okay, children, again you have to look at the question. Look at the question. Can you find any equal parts from the question? Any equal
Ma'am,
parts?
CD and AB.
ma'am, send.
Yes.
AB and CD.
Equal chords. That is our clue. So AB and CD are equal. One part we got equal chords. That is AB equal to CD. It is given in the question that they are equal. Okay, children. Now look at the triangle again. There are other two sides for the triangles. What is the speciality of these sides? Yes. Sorry. Hello, children.
Yes, ma'am.
These triangles AOB, we have taken equal chords. There are other sides also. Is there any speciality of these sides? What are they?
All.
What are they?
MAO and OD.
Yes. AO. What is that AO?
Radius.
Very good, radius. So what we have to do is, what is the speciality of radius, children?
Half of diameter.
Oh,
They are equal every
They are
side.
equal. Half of diameter is okay, but we need the speciality that they are equal. Half of diameter is okay, children. But here we will take that they are equal. Okay. So triangle AOB is, if we take AO, we have to take the similar side. That
OD.
not OD.
OC.
And the same
AC.
spacing, space, and the corresponding side should be
AOC.
OC. I have drawn with red color. The corresponding side should be same. Correspondence should be same. Okay. So OA and OC. Okay, so the left side, OA. OA equal to OC. Only the reason is the radii of the same circle, they are equal. I'll write only radii. Okay. And let us take the other side. The same, right? Same. This one, OB. What is the reason OB and OD?
Ma'am, radius.
Yes.
Equal radius.
Okay. OB equal to OD. That also radii and both are equal. Okay, children. Now, these triangles are congruent. Triangle AOB congruent to triangle COD. By which criteria, children?
Yes.
Yes. One side, other side, third side. So, which criterion?
Yes.
SSS is criterion. Now, any other part we can take. If you take any other part of the triangle, it will be automatically equal. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, our angles are angle AOB equal to angle COD. We can write the reason CPCT because congruent triangles, all the other parts are equal. Did you understand? This
Yes,
is our
ma'am.
first theorem. Theorem 1. Okay, now you can write. Did you understand? If you have any doubt, you ask me. So it is a very important theorem. Equal chord subtends, equal angle at the center. Equal chord subtend, equal angles at the center. Okay, children. Then its converse is there, but there is no proof for it. Just to write the converse of the first theorem. Converse, reverse. Theorem 2 is the converse of it, reverse part. But there is no proof for you. Study this only. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So, shall I give that? I'll scroll the board.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, theorem 2. Theorem 2 is the converse of theorem 1. Theorem 2 is the converse. Converse, you understood, no? It's the reverse of the theorem. Converse. Okay. If the angle subtended by, subtended by the chords of a circle at the center are equal. At the center are equal. Then the chords are equal. See children, in this reverse theorem, it is given that the angle is equal. If the angle is equal, then the chords will be automatically equal. Okay, that is the reverse. First one, it was given that the chords are equal, so angles also equal. So what is the reverse? If the angles are equal, automatically the chords also will be equal. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the second theorem. First theorem is important. Second theorem, there is no proof for you for you to study. Okay, children. Next one is theorem 3. Shall I give?
One
Yes,
minute,
ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children. Shall I raise now? Okay, theorem 3. Before studying, it's okay, it's okay. Theorem 3. Theorem 3. Theorem 3 is the perpendicular from the center of a circle, from the center of a circle, perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord, bisect the chord. The perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord, bisect the chord. Okay. Lakshmi Nanda, sleeping?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord, bisect the chord. Bisect the chord. Okay, children? The perpendicular from the center. You are getting something from there. Isn't it? The perpendicular from the center. Okay. Perpendicular. O is the center, suppose. Perpendicular. We are drawing a perpendicular. What do you mean by perpendicular?
ma'am. There will be 90 degrees.
90 degree. Okay. We are drawing a line downwards and the angle will be 90 degree. And to where we will draw? To a chord. To a chord, right? So
Yes,
the
ma'am.
perpendicular is drawn to a chord. Drawn to a chord. And this is 90 degree. Okay. And we have to prove that it bisect, the perpendicular bisect the chord. What do you mean by bisect? Bisect. Lot of times I have told this word bisect. Bisect.
Cut into two.
Equally
part.
divide into two equal parts. So that perpendicular, no, perpendicular. What is the name of the perpendicular? OM. OM. And divides this chord. What is the name of the chord?
AB.
AB. So this OM divides AB into two equal parts. So what are the two equal parts? What are they?
AM and MB.
AM. Okay, good, good. So AM and BM. AM and BM. So we have to prove that AM equal to BM. Only that. Bisect the code means AM equal to BM. So this also will prove using contrivance. Okay, children. Let me join this OA and OB. Now you can see two triangles. What are they? What are they? What are the
Ma'am,
name
two
of?
right triangles.
Two right triangles. What are they in triangles? Name?
AOM.
Oh, 1 minute.
AOM.
Yes, yes, yes. Triangle AOM and
Triangle
triangle
BOM.
BOM. Okay, fine. Now we will find out the equal parts. Again. What are the equal parts?
MOM.
OM equal to, that we will do it the last. OM is the common. The other one you will find out.
90 degree.
90 degree, okay. Before that you say, see any side? Can you see any side? Which is equal?
AM and BM.
That we have to prove only, Srihari. Any other side? Hello, others also try. Which is equal side? Equal side. AM equal to BM, we have to prove. OM equal to OM is a common side. Any other side?
Ma'am,
Which is
AO
equal?
and BO.
OA and OB. What are they? OA equal to OB?
Radii.
Radii. Good, good. Others, open the mouth. Only Srihari is telling the answer. Now, OM equal to OM. Fine. OM equal to OM. It is common side, right? OM equal
Yes,
to
ma'am.
OM, common side. These two are equal. This is the common side. Now, it is given that this angle is perpendicular, right?
Ma'am.
So angle AMO equal to angle BMO. Reason it is given perpendicular, given equal to 90 degree. Given perpendiculars. Now these triangles are contrivent by RHS because right angle, hypotenuse and one side. So triangle AOM contrivent to triangle BOM by RHS contrivance. Now, definitely AM equal to BM. Write the reason as CPCT, corresponding parts. Do you have compass, scale, pencil and all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We have one more period, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See, children, I have sent yesterday quadrilaterals notes. Did you get it? Quadrilaterals.
Yes, ma'am.
In your
Yes,
group?
ma'am.
Okay. Write it and keep the notes together. Staple the notes together and keep. Okay, children. Shall I erase now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Dominic. Jerlin. Sania. Sania Jinu.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall I erase now? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I am giving you a task. By when you come for next period, you have to do it and come. Okay, children? Shall I give you?
Ma'am.
Yes? Question number 1. Given an arc of a circle, complete the circle. Complete the circle. See, children, this is our question. Given an arc of a circle. See, children, when you draw a circle, what all things you need? What are the necessary measurements for drawing a circle?
Radius.
Radius.
Here radius is not given. Center is not given. You have given just an arc. Okay, children, you have to find a method to complete the circle. You cannot simply take your compass and draw it. Just an arc given, you have to complete the circle. Clear, children? Did you understand? There is no radius given. There is no center. You don't know the position of the center. Just an arc. And complete the circle. Clear? Will you do it? Let me see your answers when you come for the next period. Okay, children, shall I wind up now?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.